Hey guys, if you have the OfficeJet Pro 8600 and it's not detected by computer, you can connect it. These are the things that you can try to do. So you want to verify the firmware is current. Unplug power cable on both ends. So let's say also for the, like, just turn it off completely, the printer, and wait 60 seconds and plug it back in. Reset to factory defaults and re-enter data to connect to the router. Same results, try it out. Then you want to establish manually the IP address. You can Google it how to do it, and perform hard reset. This is something that you can also do on when you're gonna just look on how you can hard reset OfficeJet Pro 8600, and then when the router settings and disable security setting temporary. So try it out. Maybe it's going to fix it. If not, I'm sorry. I just tried to just find them like answer for you. And have a great day and goodbye.